The Central Bank of Kenya has issued new generation
Nishiro ulio kuretu weteriru ni ya Kenya kwa ihinda kuma riria mbeca njeru ciarekereirio ni bengi nene thutha wa muhuraniri wa ihoto cia umundu Okiya Omtata kwabika cira akiregana na mucongo wa mbica ya mutongoria wa mbere wa bururi Mzee Jomo Kenyatta akiuga gucabithio kwaguo ni mugaru na watho.
We have said let the court find that it's improper, but I'm saying that upon finding that the money is improper, they should not say that we go and shred it or burn it because money has been spent. We are saying that the court gives the CBK a period.
Na kuona ati bengi nene yeteteire na kuga mbica iyo yacabithitio ni gukorwo i hamwe na nyumba ya micemanio ya KICC amu muoroto wao wari gucabithia nyumba iyo. Acirithania tatu kuma igoti nene nio George Kimondo, Anthony Mrima na Asenath Ongeri matiuma na wiki tiga kwamba kurugamia mihango ya igoti na kumithamirio nginyagia nyumba-ini ya KICC maya mothe gwikira wira kana nima mucongo uyu ukoragwo KICC na haria mbica iyo yahurirwo.
And the only comment that we'll ask from the petitioners is the relationship in terms of the new currency between this statue and the main tower behind.
Even if they are one and the same, they are still, well, as long as you can portray somebody you can recognize, they are still not, still not acceptable.
Na niguo gutigirira maya mothe ni magacira mihango yoshithania ya cenji na yahana ta ya mafudi thutha wa ugwathana guthimwo kuraihu uri ukoragwo ho gatagati ga KICC na mucango uyu.
We'll invite very brief comment on the representation of the statue combined with the tower as it appears on the new Kenyan currency notes. The agreed distance between the statue and the main KICC tower is 80 meters.
Amend the section, but don't break the law. This culture of breaking the law is what I'm against. Obey the law.
No ona thengia wa mihango eno yothe cira uyu gatwithanio tariki 27 mweri ukite wa 10 Okiya Omtata akiuga ari na mwihoko igoti ni rikaruta matua hatari na kwenderera mwena wothe. Taburuko wa mohoro Kameme TV jitagwo Jenga Wabui.